By the year of 2035, we are expected to achieve about 7 billion global passengers flying around the world. And that means that the demand for engine aircraft maintenance becomes even more important. My name is Gilbert Sim. I'm responsible for Pratt Whitney Aftermarket Global Operations in terms of continuous improvement and modernizing of the MRO facilities across the globe. My team and I identify areas of opportunities to drive towards Industry 4.0 transformation. One of the areas that we emphasize a lot is to leverage on automation, robotics, and technologies to actually help us to be more efficient and effective. While we take in and introduce more technologies, we also upskill our employees. I will use this very famous African proverb, if you want to go fast, you do it alone, but if you want to go far, you do it together as a team. And that's the rationale of why we formed the whole technology accelerator, because inside the technology accelerator itself, we have this incubator playground where people are coming to try out different ideas that they have. Traditionally, it takes up about 70 to 80% of man-hours to do the engine's maintenance itself. Through Industry 4.0, we challenge ourselves to see how we can partner with our automation to actually reduce the number of man-hours to do the repetitive tasks. We have developed a few automation projects that have helped to make the operations to be more efficient. One of those is the receiving checks robotic system, where that whole robotic system is able to support the shop floor employees in terms of the inspection photo capturing. That helps to reduce about 30% of the man-hours to spend their time more efficiently. We are in a process of scaling it out to the rest of the other engine center. Core is our RTX, our continuous improvement operating system. We use this particular operating system to understand where are the areas of challenges, and we use technology to see how we can improve our areas of shortfall and eventually translate it into the whole Industry 4.0 evolution to be more efficient in terms of our operations. Whenever there are any new initiative coming from one corporation, we can easily introduce and share some of the best practices across the globe. And when we are able to do that, you can adopt the whole hub and spoke concept to eventually scale across the whole RTX group of companies. I strongly believe that the people, together with the latest technologies that we're seeing across the world, will really form the whole ecosystem to bring the company to the next level. This company is constantly looking at new ways of doing things. Innovation is part of the whole DNA in Pratt & Whitney, and we are looking forward for another 100 years for this company to be able to transform the latest innovation into the world.